This is the Innokin LiMAX vape kit, exclusively available for VPZ customers. It is the latest in Innokin's line of superior quality, beginner-friendly and ultra-reliable vape kits. The large 3000 mAh internal battery of the LiMAX offers all-day battery life for most daily use vapers. Featuring a variable wattage between 6 watts and 60 watts, the LiMAX is both powerful and portable. This vape kit is ideal for beginners and more experienced vapers seeking greater power and longer battery life. Paired with either the 1.2 ohm coil or the 0.65 ohm coil, the LiMAX offers vapers a lot of flexibility in their e-liquids. This setup is well suited for our high PG e-liquids. We would recommend anything from our UK VPREM or VO range to get you started or keep you on your cigarette-free journey. Inside the box, you have the Innokin LiMAX battery, the LiMAX tank, spare glass, and you'll also find inside the box your user guides, charging cable, an alternative coil, and some spare O-rings to run maintenance on the tank if required. To set this device up, we would first want to fill the tank. Initially, you will prime the coil. Access to the coil is granted by unscrewing the bottom of the tank, and the coil just pulls out from the bottom. Always remember to prime your coil. A few drips where you see the cotton exposed, and a few down the top of the coil as well. Reinsert into the tank, and then screw the bottom of the tank on. In order to fill this tank, you would first need to remove the drip tip, as that features a locking mechanism, and the tank then just slides open. Fill up through the little rubber stopper you see there. Once the tank is full, wait 5 minutes to allow it to soak into the cotton of the coil. Reattach to your battery, and your vape will be good to go. This device functions with a 3-click on, 3-click off functionality. You will set your power level using these buttons here and hold the button to take a vape. The LiMAX is available in all VPZ stores and online.